You can see how it is saying. It is. You see how it is reacting, eh? Yeah. It is showing white, eh? So I can't be able to access it. So let's do this together, guys. Eh? Let's do this. Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Isaac, and for those who are the first timers, welcome to the family. Like this video, subscribe, share and comment, guys. And first, before we start this video, before we start and tell you guys what I'm about to do, let's get to the video. So guys, as you can see, like let me show you guys something before I tell you what has just happened. So like this is my phone, this is my phone. As you can see, it has cracked, it has already cracked. I don't know if you can see it, guys. Yeah. So I've just decided to go to town, whereby I've been told like I can just put another screen, but the screen is so expensive. For those people who know about Samsung Note 10 Plus, it is so expensive because it is over 30,000 a screen alone. But because I have no other ways, guys, I just have to do it. So I want to walk with you guys through this journey, and I show you how we are going to do it, and I'm going to give you the final product, guys. Yes, so let's do this. You can see how it is saying. You see how it is reacting, yeah, it is showing white, so I can't be able to access it. So let's do this together, guys. Let's do this. So guys, we are already in town, so don't mind about the camera clarity, yeah, because this is just another phone. So we are here, yeah, you can see we're already in town. Yeah, I'm already in town, so let's do this. Let's do this, guys.
A few minutes later.
I want you when she wants. She's giving me.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what?
This is the end result, huh? You can see it's okay, guys. It's good, huh? Let's confirm, eh? Yeah, it's okay, everything is okay, guys. Yes, so mobile hub is the best.
So what? If you're stupid and you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me
Yeah.
how it feels when we're
So guys, that's the end of our video. Ensure that you like, share this video. We are going to do it, guys. See you on our next video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Baraka. See you guys.